In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Nano Banana 2. Nano Banana 2 is Google's newest AI image generation and editing model inside the Gemini ecosystem. It focuses on fast, high-fidelity creation and smarter editing, with noticeably better text rendering, stronger subject consistency from shot to shot, and outputs that can go up to crisp 4K resolution. If you've used earlier models, this one aims to keep details intact while letting you iterate quickly. The easiest way to try it is in the Gemini app on your phone or tablet. Open the app, head to the Tools menu, and tap Create Images. In recent versions, Nano Banana 2 is already the default image model, but you can confirm it's selected before you start. From there, either upload a photo you want to edit or type a prompt to generate something new. You can also switch between fast, thinking, or pro modes, depending on whether you want speed, deeper reasoning for complex prompts, or maximum quality. You can also access it in any web browser on desktop or mobile without installing anything. Go to Gemini in your browser, choose Create Images, and pick Nano Banana 2 as the model. Typing on a keyboard can make it easier to craft detailed prompts, which is especially helpful for product photos or scenes with lots of constraints. For more advanced workflows, open Google AI Studio in your browser. Start a new image project, select Nano Banana 2, and then either upload reference images or write your prompt. AI Studio is great when you want to iterate repeatedly, compare versions, and keep your assets organized while you refine instructions. Developers can integrate Nano Banana 2 through the Gemini API for programmatic image generation. This requires a Google Cloud project with billing enabled. It's ideal if you're building apps, automating content, or slotting image creation into a custom pipeline. When you're ready to create, write prompts in full, natural sentences that spell out the subject, style, lighting, and composition. For example, ask for a high-quality product shot of an energy drink can on a reflective surface with dramatic lighting. To edit an existing image, upload it in the image editor and describe the change you want, such as changing the background to a clean white studio look. The model will apply the adjustment while preserving important details. For best results, be specific. Use common camera and lighting terms like soft light, studio setup, or 4K resolution. Mention the style or mood you want, and try different aspect ratios such as square or vertical to match where you'll post.